सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ Today is the 35th day. We are on to our Vishwa Yoga Prarthana, the synchronized global prayer. That's quite something, okay? 34 days of morning, evening, being together. What a wonderful opportunity for all of us to come together. Let's perform the prana. Breathing out. Contemplate the inner sense of balance and harmony, a sense of ease educed from within. Enjoy the beautiful sense of calmness, quietness, steadiness arising from within yourself. A place where you can be yourself, a place where you can be established in your own essential nature, your own swarupa, a state of sukham, ease, your own sukhasthanam, that niche of ease that is yours and yours alone. A state where you experience oneness. No divisions, no distinctions, no categorization, no identification, no condemnation, no justification. Just be. Begin to move your fingers, rubbing your palms together, generating some heat, placing over the eyes, the forehead, and the head. Coming into our Sankalpa together, our aspirational statement, a statement of purpose being made by all of us together. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. Expressing our cheer, expressing our goodwill. One of the greatest gifts we can give others is goodwill. That goodwill that comes from a place of stability within us, a place of oneness, a place of non-duality, where we don't see the other person as a threat, but we see in the other person our own self. When we greet each other with a namaste or namaskaram, it is a statement that we see in the other person the same divinity that lies within us, acknowledging the existence of the other, existing as one, but in two physical forms. When we see the oneness, there's no threat. When we see the oneness, there's no jealousy. And the Kshatrapus fall flat on their face. It is only in duality. It isn't only when we see division. It is only when we consider distinctions. It is only at that point that all these ripus get a foothold in us. When we can cheer on everyone, when we can have goodwill towards all, at that point, well, we truly become human. Let's keep the cheer going. Let's keep the goodwill going. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. May we all be blessed, and may we all be a blessing wherever we are.